Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I hope you all are well and staying safe. Let me know how you guys are doing during this time. I felt kind of inspired because I feel like right now nail salons are closed, everything is closed, hairdressers are closed, so you see people cutting their own hair and stuff, and I kind of got inspired and I thought, let me do like an at-home hair blow dry, so like those sexy bouncy waves that you get at the salons. So I'm going to try and attempt that at home and show you guys that you can achieve these looks at home without splashing out your cash with, you know, using drugstore products. So what I've got here, I've got a tin of chocolate. I'm joking. What's in here is some hair rollers. I got these ages ago from the drugstore, so I'm going to be using these. I've got 8. Ooh, it's got some hair in it, sorry, don't mind that. But yeah, so I'm going to try and attempt to get those big voluminous bouncy curls. You know, my hair is quite flat and it has no volume, it has no kind of like definition, and it just looks kind of like dead. And recently I haven't done anything much to my hair because I've been staying at home, of course, so let me give it a go, glam myself up, do my hair nicely and see how it turns out. It's my first time actually using these. I bought these ages ago and I never ever used them, so I'm going to attempt to use them today to achieve the salon blow dry sort of look. It's meant to look like you put a lot of time and effort into your hair, but really you didn't. Apparently it only takes like 10 minutes. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell bar so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I upload fashion, beauty, vlogs, lifestyle, so yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my socials. So I post a lot on there, on my stories, and a lot of crazy weird TikTok videos. So with that being said, let's begin. So before we go in with the hair rollers, I've already washed my hair. I washed it last night and I'm gonna prep my hair. So you're gonna prep it with products, not too much, and I'm gonna be using the Bumble and Bumble thickening dry spun finish base. So apparently this adds, so just to keep the volume and lift in your hair, I'm going to spray this just in my roots, and then I'm going to add this. It's the Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer. Spray a bit of this into like my ends and midsection. Spray it in your hair. And then just brush it through like so. I'm going to section my hair. I'm going to take the top midsection. So I've just sectioned the top bit over here, and then I'm going to tie the rest of my hair up to get it out of the way. Okay, so now I'm going to start adding the rollers on from the top, and then I'm going to take this out and then do it bit by bit. So yeah, I'm just going to begin. So I've just done all of my hair on my head, and I'm just going to leave it like this. And what I'm going to do now, so these are metal rollers, so what I can do is I can go over these with a blow dryer. So I'm just going to go over it for like 2 minutes and I'll be right back. Blow dryer is over there. I haven't got my extension wire at the moment with me, so I just need to go to the other end of the room to blow dry my hair. But basically I'm just going to blow dry it just around, just to heat up the rollers a little bit, just for like a minute or two, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back and I've left these in my hair for about 10 minutes and I'm ready to take them out. It's my first time doing this, so we'll see how it turns out. I don't even know how it's going to look, but we'll see. So I'm going to take these out one by one slowly, being extra careful because it might be a bit tangly. So just being extra careful, just take off one by one. what I expected. I mean, it's added volume. I can definitely see the difference in the volume, but I think maybe it's because my hair is quite long. There's no sort of like that flick in the hair, but other than that, I like the volume. But yeah, my battery's dying right now. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and of course, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell bar so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.